We're charging forward, the sun at our back. Our bikes are beasts, we're the masters of track. The road is our canvas, the wind is our brush, painting the landscape with every push. Feel the rush, the adrenaline's high. We're coming through space, we're flying so nigh. The world's at our feet, we're breaking the line. In the heart of the ride, we're truly divine. Ride on, with the thunder in our veins. Ride on, we're the conquerors of lanes. Ride on, the passion in our hearts. Ride on, we're the kings of the charts. The gears grind, the engines roar. We're breaking the silence, we're asking for more. The sweat drips, the miles stack. We're climbing the peaks, we never slack. Feel the rush, the adrenaline's high. We're coming through space, we're flying so nigh. The world's at our feet, we're breaking the line. In the heart of the ride, we're truly divine. Ride on, with the thunder in our veins. Ride on, we're the conquerors of lanes. Ride on, the passion in our hearts. Ride on, we're the kings of the charts. The city fades, the countryside creeps. We're riding through fields where the wildflowers meet. The air is fresh, the spirit's soar. In this open road we find the core. Feel the rush, the adrenaline's high. We're coming through space, we're flying so nigh. The world's at our feet, we're breaking the line. In the heart of the ride, we're truly divine. Ride on, with the thunder in our veins. Ride on, we're the conquerors of lanes. Ride on, the passion in our hearts. Ride on, we're the kings of the charts. We're the riders, the dreamers, the free. On two wheels, we're the masters of play. With every touch, we define the odds. In this endless ride, we're the living gods. The night falls, the stars align. Under the moonlight, we're shining so fine. The road is our guide, the bike is our friend. In the rhythm of the ride, we'll never bend. Feel the rush, the adrenaline's high. We're coming through space, we're flying so nigh. The world's at our feet, we're breaking the line. In the heart of the ride, we're truly divine.